Hello everyone. Um, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your wallpaper on your iPad. Okay. Um, some people are having these issues, so probably this is just a quick tutorial on how to just guide you through the process on how you can do this. So the first thing you want to do is you go click here on your settings. So click on your settings, and then you scroll down. Right here, you're going to see wallpaper. Right, you click on wallpaper right on your settings. Yes, this is the latest iOS, the iPad rather. You can see the update here, software update, which is the iPad OS 18.01, 18.0.01, right? So you click here on the wallpaper, and right here you can click on add new wallpaper. Click on add new wallpaper. You have some templates here, right, that you can actually choose from. Cool templates you can actually choose from. But if none of them fits what you're looking for, and you have something in your photos that you want to use, and then by all means you can go to photos and then you can apply them. Okay, so probably I'm just going to just show you. Let's pick something cool, and then probably I'll go with this, and I'll click on okay, allow using app, then click on add. Right, set as wallpaper pair. It shows you if you're going to set this or if you're going to customize the home screen. So the choice is left for you to actually do it. Okay, um, so whichever way you want to do is fine. Okay, so that would help you with it, right? So yes, hope that was very helpful. So I'll probably do this, right? So that's done. Okay, so you can actually, and the beauty about it is you can actually swipe across, and then you can actually add the new one. So for example, I've done this, I've added this, right? um you can come here to say, okay, I prefer this, and you can set this as your current wallpaper, and you can switch here to say, okay, no, I want to set this as my current wallpaper. And if you do that and you go back here, you see that the interface has changed. Okay, and you say, okay, no, I don't want this, I'm probably gonna stick with the other one. I prefer this. You can click here, set as current, and if you go back here, you'll see that you have the new wallpaper. So hope that is helpful for you. All right, thank you. Bye.